Now I would like to show you the new modern living room space. In this cabinet's TV stand, it is by the Veneer wall panels, and the shelf, it is a very thin stainless steel shelf which is invisible with the stand. We have a 4-layer as a shelf with nice copper coffee color, and here is a travertine marble slates as the tabletop, and I really love it, this kind of warmy atmosphere like the stove, and it's a living atmosphere. And with the TV shelf, it is automatically controlled, which you are able to close it to have an entire calm look, or you can open by the side panel to have the shelf as well, to have your book inside. So this is multifunction by the remote control function. Here in this area, the sofa, this corner area, this is able to contain maybe 10 person in this living space with a marble top coffee table and a side table as well. So this fabric sofa is giving comfy feeling, so you are able to lay on the side or you are able to sit in this location. All these colors is able to be selected for your cabinets. Here we have also a kitchen area which is connected with this living area. This kitchen part is also very nice, elegant, modern design. This black satin color is a very good combination with the white marble top, with an induction stove and a multi-function home appliance. I hope you like it.